Want to transform your financial life and save over $10,000 this year? Keep watching. In this video, I'm going to share with you my proven plan to take control of your money and build a solid financial future. Let's face it, folks, saving money is crucial in today's world. Inflation is eating away at our hard-earned dollars, and it's more important than ever to be smart with your money. It's time to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a life of financial peace. We're diving deep into practical, no-nonsense tips and strategies that can work for anyone, no matter their income level. From mastering the art of budgeting to uncovering hidden savings opportunities, this video will equip you with the tools to achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's get started. The first step to financial freedom, you gotta know where your money is going. It's like trying to lose weight without tracking your calories. You're just flying blind. Luckily, we live in a digital age with amazing tools right at our fingertips. Save money apps are like having a personal finance guru in your pocket, helping you track expenses, create a budget that works, and even categorize your spending so you can see where your hard-earned cash is going. Trust me, folks, knowledge is power. When you see how that daily latte adds up over a month, you might think twice before mindlessly swiping your card. These apps will help you identify areas where you can cut back and free up some serious cash. Remember, small changes add up to big results over time. Listen, I love a good steak dinner as much as the next person, but you don't have to break the bank at the grocery store. Food is one of our biggest expenses, but it's also one of the easiest places to save if you know the right tricks. First things first, plan your meals for the week and stick to your grocery list, avoiding those impulse buys in the checkout aisle. Look for sales and discounts, and don't be afraid to buy generic brands. They often taste just as good as the name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. And here's a pro tip: buy in bulk for staples you use often, like rice, beans, or pasta. You'll save money in the long run. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Dave, this is all well and good, but I'm on a tight budget. How can I possibly save? Let me tell you, I've been there. It's not about how much money you make, but how you manage what you have. Start by identifying your needs versus your wants. Do you really need that premium cable package? Or can you get by with a streaming service? Can you cut back on eating out and try some budget-friendly recipes at home? Every little bit counts. Remember, it's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing your financial future. The internet isn't just for cat videos and social media, folks. It's a goldmine for saving money if you know where to look. Before you hit that buy now button, always, and I mean always, check for coupon codes and cashback offers. Websites and browser extensions can do the work for you, finding the best deals automatically. And don't forget about online comparison shopping. Take a few minutes to compare prices from different retailers to make sure you're getting the best possible price. You'd be amazed at how much money you can save just by being a savvy online shopper. I'll keep it real with you. Saving money isn't always the most exciting thing in the world. It takes discipline and sacrifice, but let me tell you, the payoff is worth it. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the magic of compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it gets bigger and bigger. The same principle applies to your savings. Even if you can only spare a small amount each month, it will add up over time and set you up for a brighter financial future. Now, I know we've got folks tuning in from all over the globe, and while the principles of saving money are universal, there might be some region-specific tips that can help you save even more. For my Canadian friends, take advantage of those generous Registered Retirement Savings Plans, RRSPs, to reduce your tax burden and boost your retirement savings. In the UK, consider using a cashback credit card to earn rewards on your everyday spending. And for my viewers in Africa, explore mobile money platforms that offer savings and investment options. Remember, knowledge is power, so do your research and find the best saving strategies for your specific location. Now, I'm not here to endorse any particular brand, but I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the power of smart shopping at places like Walmart. Look, I get it. Sometimes you need to stretch your dollar further, and that's where choosing affordable brands and stores can make a real difference. Walmart offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, from groceries and household goods to clothing and electronics. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices. But remember, It's about finding the best value for your money, not necessarily the cheapest option. Sometimes spending a little extra upfront for quality can save you money in the long run. Let's be honest, folks, saving money takes effort. It's not always easy to resist those tempting impulse buys or stick to a budget when you'd rather be out having fun. That's why it's crucial to find your why, your financial motivation. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house? Your dream vacation? Early retirement? Whatever it is, keep that goal front and center in your mind. Visualize yourself achieving it, and let that be the fuel that keeps you going when things get tough. Remember, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your future and creating a life of financial freedom. Alright folks, you've mastered the art of saving, you're diligently putting money aside each month. Now let's make that money work even harder for you. It's time to talk about earning interest on your savings. Gone are the days of leaving your hard-earned cash sitting in a low-yield savings account. Explore options like high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or even certificates of deposit, CDs, for a fixed term to earn a better return on your investment. Remember, the key is to shop around, compare interest rates and terms, and choose the option that best aligns with your financial goals. Who says saving money has to be boring? Let's inject some fun into it. Turn saving into a game with a friend or family member and see who can save the most each month. Challenge yourself to a no-spend weekend once a month and get creative with free activities. You can even create a fun savings jar and decorate it with your financial goals. Every time you reach a milestone, reward yourself with a small and budget-friendly treat. Remember, it's about finding what works for you and making saving a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Congratulations, folks, you've made it to the end. Now you're armed with the knowledge and strategies to unlock your saving potential and take control of your financial future. Remember, it all starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect time to start saving. The best time is now. Pick one tip from this video and commit to implementing it today. As you start to see progress, it will motivate you to keep going and achieve your financial goals. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and financial advice to help you live your best financial life.